Karakurt-class, designation Project 22800, a class of corvettes with only a displacement of about 800 tons, smaller than the Buyan-M class missile corvettes, but Karakurt is still equipped with extremely powerful firepower and capable of reaching offshore waters to perform a variety of missions. In addition, the Karakurt-class has a lower cost than previous corvettes and cruisers. The time to build a Karakurt is only 1 year, which means that in just a few years, the Russian Navy can own a powerful fleet. Project 22800 was first publicly presented by Armas during the International Military Technical Forum, Army 2015, held in Kubinka. The ship is 67 meters long, the beam is 11 meters, and the draft is 3.3 meters. Due to the displacement of only 800 tons and the modest duration of continuous operation at sea, the Karakurt-class missile corvettes mainly perform tasks such as patrolling coastal areas, escorting warships during the performance of offensive missions in complex combat conditions, perform lightning attacks on the opponent's primary defense, participate in fleet air defense operations. Project 22800 derives from Project 12300 Scorpion, a proposed 1990s Armas design for a 500 tons displacement missile boat, and was also heavily influenced by Project 21631, the Buyan-M corvettes. Ships of the class have a stealth ship superstructure with an integrated mast carrying four-phase aerator panels. The primary armament consists of caliber cruise missiles or P-800 Onyx supersonic anti-ship missiles, carried in 8 UKSK-VLS cells in the rear part of the superstructure behind the bridge. The corvettes built for Russian Navy will be equipped with a 76.2mm AK-176MA automatic dual-purpose gun, a modernized version of the AK-176. However, at least on the first ship, the 100mm A-190 was installed. A proposed export version may carry the Italian Ottomera 76mm gun. For anti-ship missile defense, the first two ships will only carry a pair of AK-630M gun-based close-in weapon system. Starting from the third ship, they will be equipped with Panzer-M, a navalized version of the Panzer surface-to-air missile system. The third vessel of the class, Odin-Sovo, entered service in the Baltic Fleet with the Panzer-M system in November 2020. Project 22800 is not designed for anti-submarine warfare. The propulsion is provided by a combined diesel and diesel system, consisting of 3 M507D1 diesel engines, developing 8,000 horsepower each. Also, there are 3 diesel generators. The ship has a top speed of 30 knots, a range of 2,500 nautical miles, an endurance of 15 days, and a crew of about 50 to 70 sailors. With as many as 18 such corvettes slated for construction throughout the middle 2020s. The Karakurt-class ships will be widely circulated throughout the Russian Navy's Baltic, Black Sea, and Pacific fleets.